Hello, my name is Richard, and I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my channel. All right, today we're going to be talking about something very, very important. I made some videos a couple of days back where I talked about ChatGPT. The link will be, you see the video link right here. Now, I talked about ChatGPT, I talked about its importance, I talked about how good it is and how the functions basically. So, today I want to blow your mind, all right? I want to tell you today that ChatGPT is scam. Scam, yes, SCAM, scam. ChatGPT is scam, all right? So before I go into that, quickly, all right, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please ensure you subscribe. My name is Richard, and on this channel, we talk about tech, we talk about money, how you can make money with tech, how you can make money with new developments and new things like that. Yes, I said in my introduction that ChatGPT is scam. SCAM. Alright, I'm going to blow your mind now. I know you're saying, how can it be scam? How can it be scam? Yes, but take a minute and understand what I'm trying to say. It is scam. S for support, C for communication, A for adaptability, M for meaningfulness. I'll take it one after the other so you understand. ChatGPT is scam. The S there stands for support. Support. So what does it mean to support? It means that it gives assistance to you. Now, when you talk about support, ChatGPT is here to support. So let's define support. So support can refer to a variety of things depending on the context. Now, the first one is to help or provide assistance to someone in form of resources and encouragement. All right. The second one is something that provides a foundation or base for something else. All right. Okay, so we can see here that support means to provide help or assistance to someone, and I can tell you for a fact that ChatGPT can provide help or assistance to you. I have used it in many ways. For example, I have used it to apply for some jobs. I got an offer some few days ago using ChatGPT. You understand? I was able to ask it questions and it gave me relevant answers which I used to get that interview. All right, so S is for support. ChatGPT supports you in whatever you're doing. It is here as an assistance for you. So yes, S is support. C is for communication. So it means now that I can communicate with ChatGPT. We can talk, we can exchange ideas. You know, in my conversation with it got to a point where I had to I felt like I was talking with someone. Although I had to quickly snap and realize that no, it's an AI chatbot, okay? But you can communicate with it effectively. So you speak and it speaks back to you. You talk, you type in your conversations normally as you would a human being, and it responds back to you in the best of its ability, rather. So communication is an exchange of thoughts, ideas, or information through speech, writing, or other medium. So for ChatGPT, there's no speech, but it's writing, all right? So it communicates with you. The next is adaptability. Adaptability. What does it mean to be adaptable? All right? It is the ability to change or adjust to new situations or environments. I can tell you for a fact that ChatGPT is very adaptable. Its adaptability is quite high because I could be interacting with it right now and I'm talking about food. I'm talking about food. There are many dishes now, and I'll let it answer this. And immediately you're done asking about food, you could switch to something else. You could talk about sports. You could talk about anything. You could talk about name it, you could quickly switch. So it automatically adapts to your new environment. It adapts to the new question you're asking it. So as you can see, it's giving out different answers here. Nigerian meals. All right, I'm in Nigeria, so please understand me. All right, so as you can see here, I asked it, give me the best Nigerian food, right? And immediately I can switch and say, give me 2 football personalities. All right. Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. All right, this needs to be updated. It says he plays for Juventus, but it's wrong. And Messi plays for Barca. As of now, Ronaldo has just signed a new contract with, I think, a Saudi Arabia or something. I'm not really know. All right, I'm not really familiar with that. So both Ronaldo and Messi are known for their exceptional skills and impressive goal-scoring abilities, and they've both achieved a great deal of success at the club and international level. All right, now as you can see, we talked about food. Now we talked about football. I can quickly switch and say, give me 2 places of interest. Let's see if I can add briefly. So it's, I made a mistake in that English. Great Wall of China. All right, 2 places of interest. Think the word briefly. All right. So as you can see, I have asked it a series of questions. The first question I asked is on food. The next is on sports. The next one is on places of interest. Now, as it has answered this, I can switch back to my first question from the Nigerian food. Explain in 50 words food 3. Alright, so as you can see, food 3, it says it is, food 3 is pounded yam, right? Is that right? So we have food 3, yes, we see pounded yam as food 3 here, and it's explaining food 3 here. So you can see how adaptable it is. It automatically adjusts, it automatically changes based on the environment it finds itself. Where do we have it? All right, it's the ability to change or adjust to new situations or environment. So you can see it is very, very adaptable. The next one is meaningfulness. Meaningfulness. You know, we're talking about the word scam. Meaningfulness. What does it mean? Meaningful. So ChatGPT is very meaningful. It says meaningfulness refers to the sense of purpose or significance that something has. It can refer to the sense that something is valuable, important, or worth doing or pursuing. All right. So I can tell you for a fact that ChatGPT is very meaningful. It has a purpose, it has a significance, and it also refers to things that are valuable based on the question you ask it and based on how you interact with it. All right. So yes, I know you might think that this is a video, say ChatGPT is scam, it's scam. No, what I mean scam here, I simply mean it supports you in whatever you're doing, it communicates with you, it is adaptable, and it also has meaning. All right. So yes, the word scam has been known to mean different things in the past, but today I'm telling you that ChatGPT is scam because it supports you, it communicates with you. All right. It is adaptable and it is meaningful. All right. So this is what scam means for ChatGPT. I know you might be surprised, but I think it's time we start changing the narrative. Okay. So ChatGPT is scam. Yes, it is scam. It is scam because it supports you, it communicates with you, it's adaptable, and it is meaningful. All right. Alright, so I'll end this video by saying this, that artificial intelligence has come to stay. It is a technology that will continually improve and will be better over time. So please get used to it. It is not here to replace your jobs, it is here to make your work easier. So I think this is the best time, I'll say this, that this is the best time to improve on whatever you are doing. So please take advantage of this tool. ChatGPT is here to stay. It is here to make life easy. And I have a video where I talked about how you can make a full book with ChatGPT. The next video I'll be making will be how you can build a website with ChatGPT. It's gonna be awesome. I'd like you to stick around. If you've not watched any of my videos before, please, I urge you, find them, click on this channel link, you'll see the rest of my videos. Very amazing and very, very insightful. And I'll see you in the next one, alright? Cheers.